Deciding whether to paint or stain wood shakes and shingles is a critical choice that affects longevity, appearance, and maintenance costs. Start by assessing moisture, history, and wood condition, because paint sits on the surface, while penetrating stain soaks into fibers and preserves flexibility. If shakes are dry, relatively intact, and show only surface weathering. A penetrating stain with ultraviolet inhibitors and Mildewcide is often the best way to extend service life while preserving texture. When you choose paint, use a paint specifically formulated for exterior wood that allows some vapor permeability and has Mildewcide and ultraviolet protection, and always back prime new or replacement shakes to seal end grain and prevent rapid moisture intrusion. Prepare the surface by removing loose material with a low pressure wash under 500 pounds per square inch and a wood brightener to restore pH and improve adhesion. Then allow the wood to fully dry for at least 48 hours, depending on humidity and temperature. Replace any shakes that are brittle, heavily checked, or retaining moisture, because coating over failing wood only delays failure and traps water. When replacing, fit new pieces to match exposure and back prime before installation. Apply coatings on mild, dry days between 50 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit and avoid direct sun on surfaces. Use brush or short nap roller for better penetration into textured shakes, and reserve spray for final coats while back brushing immediately to force product into cracks. Finally, establish a routine inspection cycle every year to check for lifted seams, biological growth, or moisture staining, and touch up or replace individual pieces promptly to prevent larger, localized rot. Common problems start with trapped moisture under coatings that leads to hidden rot. The practical fix is to test moisture content before coating and replace wet or suspect shakes rather than paint over them. Another frequent issue is poor adhesion from inadequate surface preparation. Solve this by cleaning with a detergent and brightener, allowing full drying time, and back priming cut ends and repairs before top coats. A third concern is biological growth and ultraviolet breakdown on older wood. Treat growth with an appropriate cleaner and Mildewcide, choose products with ultraviolet inhibitors, and plan for reapplication every 5 to 10 years depending on exposure. We built bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners compare options and find local contractors for exterior woodwork and painting while fostering peer discussion about real-world experience. We offer a discussion community so homeowners and contractors can exchange tips, post photos, and find work through connections on our site.